The order of operations tells us when to perform certain operations in multi-step problems. You can remember the order by thinking PEMDAS. P stands for parentheses. First you solve anything inside parentheses. E stands for exponents. Second, you look for exponents and solve those. You then look for multiplication and division, and you solve those in order from left to right. Finally, you solve any addition and subtraction problems in order from left to right. Let's practice one. Here we have a multi-step problem. First, we'll look for any parentheses. There are none. Next, we look for exponents. No exponents here. Now we look for multiplication and division and solve those in order from left to right. There isn't any multiplication, but we do have division. 12 divided by 4. That gives us 3. Now you rewrite the rest of your problem. We didn't use the 5 or the plus, so we bring those down. Now we look for addition and subtraction. Here we have 5 plus 3. That gives you 8. Notice that the work shown looks like a V. Let's try another one. First, we're going to look for our parentheses. We have parentheses in this problem, so we solve anything inside them. 3 minus 1 gives us 2. Now rewrite the rest of your problem around it. 7 times, don't forget the exponent. Next we look for exponents. We have an exponent in this problem. Remember that the exponent tells us how many times we're multiplying the base by itself. So this would be 2 times 2 times 2. 2 times 2 gives you 4, times 2 gives you 8. So 2 cubed is 8. Then rewrite the rest of your problem. Next we look for multiplication and division. And that's what we have here. 7 times 8, which gives us 56. Notice that the work is in a V shape. Let's try one more. First we look for our parentheses. We have parentheses in this problem, but there's still multiple steps inside of the parentheses. So now we go through our order of operations for inside the parentheses. There are no exponents, so we look for multiplication and division. We have multiplication, 3 times 2. That's 6. Then rewrite the rest of the problem around it. We haven't finished in our parentheses, so you finish your parentheses next. 8 minus 6 is 2, and then rewrite the rest of the problem. Now, we look for exponents. There are no exponents. We look for multiplication and division. We don't have any here. Lastly, there's addition and subtraction. 2 plus 1 gives us 3. Notice that the work is in a V shape.